So today we're going to plant these tomatoes. And first of all, before we plant them, we're going to give them an inoculation of Biocast for their roots so they get going quickly and strongly. So first of all, we're going to pour some Biocast into our bucket there after having given it a good shake. Then we're going to add our part B, which is food for the microbes to get them all active and supporting the plant. Then we're going to add some water. Do you want to do that bit?
We're going to get a part B.
Part B's already in. Yep, now our next step is to soak our tomatoes. So we'll grab our seedlings and stick them in the Biocast. Whoopsies. Oh well, that's okay. And I like to keep them in the pot so that the soil doesn't go everywhere. So pop it in there, darling. That's the way. Oh, we've got it just the right level so we can see that that's all filling up with water. It's going to be a nice saturated root ball. Okay, so we're soaking our root ball just until it's wet through. If it was root bound, I'd want to do it for a bit longer.
They're getting a big drink.
They are getting a big drink.
From the rain too.
From the rain too, and the Biocast. So what's happening is the Biocast is adding a full range of beneficial bacteria and fungi and other microorganisms, as well as their byproducts such as plant growth hormones, enzymes, trace minerals, that kind of thing.
Yes.
Righto, so when we're ready to plant, we just bring it over to the hole that we prepared earlier. And we plant as per normal.
What do you put in there?
Oh, I put some eggshells in, darling, because I looked up how to grow great tomatoes on the internet, and one of the tips was put some eggshells in the hole. So that's what we're going to try.
How do you get it out?
Very gently, Mummy will do it. All of our tomatoes are in, and the last step that I usually like to do is to get any leftover Biocast and use it to water in the new seedlings. Now with the tomatoes, I'm not too worried about whether or not I wet the leaves because the Biocast has those active microbes in it which form a competition on the leaf surface for any pathogenic fungi and the kind of problems that tomatoes often get. So it can be quite helpful actually on the leaf. Here's our little tomatoes 24 hours later, looking very happy, standing up nice and straight. Biocast is a great way to help reduce the risk of transplant shock on anything you're planting, with those microbes and their metabolites really setting up the plant for success and getting the roots growing straight away. But of course it's not the only thing that we've done here to help our plants be healthy. We've planted them nice and deep to get the great strong root ball. We've added the nutrition like the eggshells. We've given them a lovely fresh bed to grow in, which had a green mulch prior to this. And we'll keep looking after them as they grow. We'll put stakes in, and my plan for this would be to give those tomatoes a fortnightly application of the Biocast diluted 20:1 just in a watering can,